Look at the insulin plant. This is insulin plant. Insulin flower. Unique design of insulin flower. First time ko to nakita. Naadi ay flowers ng insulin. Nice yung flowers. We have insulin plant. Hindot ni siya para sa mga with diabetes or diabetic persons. Pwede ra daw ni mo kauno niyang leaves. Pwede ra ka mo kauno leaves. Kaning talbos or udlot. Insulin. Ang bilis niya tumubo. Ay, kadagagamigas. This is my insulin flower. May flower. Pure yung design. Dali na niya siya i-propagate. Insulin propagation is through cuttings. Then tutubo na siya. It's so easy to propagate insulin. Just cut a portion of it and plant it. And it is so beneficial. Ang daming benefits. Lalo na sa mga diabetic persons. Insulin plant, also known as stepladder and spiral flag. Names given to Costus, Igneus, Mac. There have been a collection of studies published explaining the positive correlation between the leaves of Costus igneus and individuals with diabetes. The leaves are rich in protein, iron, and a number of antioxidant components such as B-carotene and A-tocopherol. These properties, in combination with its natural insulin content, phytocompounds that stimulate the metabolic action of insulin when ingested or kapag kinakain, aids in Costus Igneus' ability to lower blood sugar in individuals with diabetes. Spiral flag and stepladder are given to this plant due to the arrangement of its leaves as they stem from the main stalk in an upwards spiraling manner. This plant has wide green leaves that step and spiral up the reddish-brown stalk. Though the primary interest surrounding this plant involves the treatment and management of those suffering type 1 and type 2 diabetes, there have also been studies focused on the antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties of the insulin plant as well. With the promise shown in these recent studies and a truly daunting epidemic of diabetes on our plates, Costus igneus appears to be of great benefit to our world. Insulin plant has many benefits and it is very helpful to patients with diabetes. I hope you have learned something about insulin plant. Thank you so much.